Investors are concerned about volatility in the marketplace, as well as the fact that the US large cap space has become very concentrated, with the top 10 names accounting for almost a third of the marketplace. For those investors, Pender US Small Mid Cap Equity Fund offers an alternative that addresses both those concerns. In terms of volatility, the Pender Fund is very focused on quality businesses that are able to compound earnings over time. What we look for is businesses with a sustainable competitive advantage that are able to reinvest capital at rates of return above their cost of capital. So over time, by reinvesting capital, they're growing their earnings and cash flow, and we as shareholders benefit from that participation or that growth over several years. In terms of market concentration, the fund owns between 25 to 35 stocks, but we do have exposure to various themes, and we are not looking to overexpose the investors to one or two themes. We have stocks that benefit from various exposure to various themes, and we believe that are ideally positioned to do well over the next several years. So I think the US small mid cap space offers a compelling opportunity for investors because it's not done well, and it's offering investors an opportunity to participate in a marketplace at a huge discount to the large cap space. For Canadian investors, the Pender US Small Mid Cap Equity Fund offers the opportunity to gain exposure to businesses in industries that have a very strong growth outlook for next several years. And these are businesses in industries like AI infrastructure or healthcare, where maybe the opportunity to participate in the Canadian marketplace is somewhat limited. So by allocating some capital to this Pender US Small Mid Cap Equity Fund, Canadian investors can benefit from that opportunity over the next several years, and that also helps them in diversify their holdings because, as we know, the Canadian market is very focused on financials and energy and materials. So, this allows them the opportunity to gain exposure in other industries that are doing really well and have the outlook for continued growth for next several years. We are looking for long-term investors who have the patience to stay invested and compound their returns over time.